we out my body. Whole click pull up in vets, bitch, we out our body.
Hey, y'all, let me know how y'all feeling, Versatile Squad, y'all. Today's video, we're gonna be talking about one of our newest sponsorships with RGB Halo kits, man. And they not only sell Halo kits there, y'all. Before we get into that, man, let me go ahead and show y'all my new clothing line I just started, y'all. Got VVL going across the chest, man, with the denim vet on the back, with the Be Someone right there, man. And that's what it's about, man, in a big city, man, becoming someone. Someone actually painted that on one of the Houston highways, so that's why it's like that across the back. You know, if y'all haven't seen it already, I got it across the car, man. That thing looking crazy. But yeah, man, we're gonna be having them in black for the hoodies and white. And then my girl is actually trying something new. She's going with a dark green, and it's gonna have the VVL with the Venom vet on the back. So we're gonna see how that comes out too. That's a little project. But for now, we have them in black and white, and then we're actually gonna be coming out with shirts that's black and white too as well. And for the, the white ones, the letter's gonna be black. That's gonna be the only difference. It's still the same logo on the back. Man, make sure y'all go tap in the link in the description below, y'all, and y'all can find where y'all can get yours. But now it's gonna be time to get into this video. Man, we're gonna be talking about the package on the car, y'all. We're actually gonna be unboxing this, man. Huge shout out to RGB Halo kits, man, for hooking me up with a set of LED underglow, y'all. As y'all can see, I got the lights going stupid in the headlights, y'all. So this is just gonna complete the LED light exterior lighting, man. So huge shout out to RGBWs for being the final LED product that I need, man. Cause with the lights going, then we're gonna have the underglow, and they actually included the grill, man. So we're gonna have that grill lit up too, going stupid. Man, I cannot thank y'all enough, RGBW, man. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go check them out in the link in the description below, y'all. If y'all would like to get some LED lights for yourself or for your vehicle, again, their name is RGB Halos. They do not only sell Halo kits, man. They sell everything for any car, man. Y'all make sure y'all go check them out, man. If y'all go through the link in the description, y'all actually get a 10% code discount, man. Look at that. They done hooked the Versatile Squad up with a 10% discount code, man. Y'all can't beat it. Make sure y'all go check them out. And on addition to that, they actually have a sale going on. I think it's 25 to 50% right now. So make sure y'all go check them out, man. If y'all looking to get some exterior lighting for your car, they'll get you right. Now let's go ahead and get into this box, y'all. About to sex y'all up on here. You can get into it. Well, would you look at that? It's the Venom Vet throne, man, for the king himself, man. And I do say that because I have been seeing a lot of Venom wrap designs just popping out of nowhere, popping out of thin air. Like, I ain't do this first. It's cool, remain humble, chill out. If for those of y'all who don't know, man, this video is sponsored and brought to you by RGB Halo kits, man. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I'm gonna be pulling it out like a trick in the hat. Let's see. In the kit, man, you're in your 80 millimeter. I do believe this is a rectifier. Yes, sir. And then it does have the Bluetooth box right there on the back. It comes with your power cable. And then got the underglow. So I guess this is the rectifier for the underglow. Man, it looks like they hooked me up with some zip ties too. You always need your handy dandy zip ties, man. Let's see if we can get into this thing. Yeah, it's like a big Ziploc bag, but be custom with it. I like the packaging, I ain't gonna lie. Got your handy dandy zip ties right there, man, with some more wiring. Let's see what this is for. Okay, so this is for the inside, y'all. This is actually like a 12 volt plug-in that you would plug into your car, and you hit the on and off switch. That's loud. I do have the one with the Bluetooth controller, so I won't be needing that. Let's see. Then they have an instruction manual right here, y'all. So for those of y'all who don't know how to install it, man, or y'all need some help, need some tips, man, they actually got a little pamphlet here with a couple tips of how to wire it. If not, you can go ahead and head to their YouTube channel right here, man, and they'll help you out with whatever you need, man. Actually shows you how to, yeah, there's the little cigarette lighter power outlet adapter if you would like to use that. And then this is for the Bluetooth receiver, if you do have the Bluetooth one, or if you want to use the add option, whichever one works fine. Has a QR code for you to scan, so you won't have no trouble finding it in the App Store, man. It should be pretty straightforward. I didn't have a hard time installing those, so I know the underglow kit, with it being on the outside, I'm not having to, you know, rip shit open, cut nothing open. It's gonna be a perfect breeze install, man. Let's see how long these LED strips are, though. And I have read that you can cut these, man. Let's see. Get them all tangled up. Boom. So here's your wires. Boom. And these are actually pretty long. I want to give a huge shout out to RGB Halo kits, man, for making long wires. Because for those of y'all who don't know, I actually had to buy wire and extend the wires that came with it and hook it up to the connectors at the end of it, because those things were short. Like, why? Excuse me. Not Corona, man, not Corona. You know, when you're supposed to go down the wrong pipe, not Corona. No, but y'all, huge shout out to RGB Halo kits, man. I give them a real salute for, look at this cable, still going. Then you have your receiver right here, your LED light controller. Man, this is gonna make it a breeze for install, y'all. Go ahead and put this to the side. Now, be time. Oh look, here's the general install guide. Shows you how to wire everything up in sequence. That way you can't mess up, y'all. They got the instructions for you. They got the YouTube channel, man. It's hard for you to mess this up. Then this box comes separate from all that, y'all. Comes with the grill right there. They actually label everything, so you don't have trouble like trying to decipher what the fuck they just sent you. Excuse my language, because Lighting Trends is known for that. They sent my boy J.I. a mess of what the fuck and told him to throw it together with no instructions. Man, if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go check his channel out in the link in the description below, y'all. He does have a white Camaro 2SS called White Mamba sitting on candy apples. That thing's nice, man. Y'all go tap in. Let's get into this unboxing. This is gonna be for the grill. Just has, again, look at this. And what? They sent two LEDs for the grill? I only need one, but two? I might have to make that vent at the top, you know, breathe a little bit. Why not? And then again, look at the long cable with it. Won't have no problems installing, man, or trying to figure out a location. I gotta put it closer to the box because it's not long enough to reach. Man, huge shout out to RGB Halo kits, man. I don't know why I keep saying I'll keep wanting to say RGBW Halo kits. It's RGB Halo kits. Excuse me. Yeah. That's gonna be it for the unboxing, man. No, it looks like a big clutter of mess right now, but this is for the underglow, y'all. This is for the grill. Again, I want to give a huge shout out to RGB Halo kits, man, for completing my exterior lighting, man. In this video, I was only introducing the sponsorship, man, and doing the unboxing. In the next video, we're actually going to be installing these, so y'all stay tuned for that, man. That Venom vet, it's going to look crazy, man. I'm actually going to go ahead and throw y'all a hint. We're going to be hydro dipping the rims, man. You know, it's okay to paint stuff, but it depends what it is. It's a vet, man. We're going to do it the right way. Sand them down, and we're going to repaint them, and we're going to hydro dip them things. Have it done. Nice. Look at these lights, though, going stupid. Come on, man. But with that being said, y'all, I appreciate y'all for watching all the way through, y'all. If y'all haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, y'all. And y'all remember to check out RGB Halo kits, man, in the link in the description below. Use that 10% discount code, man, and go ahead and get y'all some LEDs. Who doesn't like lights on the inside or outside of their car, right? I know y'all like them in your house, right? Why not in the car? Well, with that being said, y'all remember to stay versatile, treat each day like it's your Friday, man, and go at it like it's your last. We out.
Hopped in a motherfucker coupe.